Hi folks, welcome to another new episode. Today we're gonna make tiramisu. My name is David Kong and we are in Oregon's, and this area is called Awi or Awa, whatever you want to call it, state park, and just cross the border of Idaho. Incredible. And a whole bunch of river going down here. You see the mountains, absolute gorgeous. All right, let's see what we have here. So lady fingers, espresso, which I make from my machine, cocoa chocolate, and then the sugars, rum, mascarpone cheese, and eggs, vanilla extract, and whipping cream. Right, first, in my books there was called a mascarpone sauce under chocolate lasagna, and that's the same sauce I'm using right now for my tiramisu. Tiramisu, we translate in, it means lift me up or pick me up in Italian. So here we are in the middle of our camping area making tiramisu. And of course, in my books, they use the KitchenAid, the blender, to mix it real good, whip it up. But today, I'm gonna use Mother Nature's hand power. Okay, start we will do with the whipping cream. Some whipping cream. Vanilla extract. Oops. And just whip it up real good until they are nice and thick. Okay. Okay, now we are whipping the cream. The whipping cream is almost thick. And depend how strong you are, how fast you're going to whip it. Probably about 5 minutes for me to whip all this. As it gets thicker, and now you start to put some sugar. And then you mix it up real good. Again, until they're nice and thick. It's almost there. Luckily, I take my vacation right now. I can whip it real good. Look at that. Yes, whip it. Okay, nice and thick. So now you put it on here. Okay, now put the mascarpone cheese. Now go. And we get egg yolk. By the way, this is amazing. Get it on the way out of the town of Boise, and it's called Eagle, and I saw a small store farms market over down there. Bought some eggs and bought some morel mushrooms. Oh, unbelievable. Okay, and then we put some sugar. And then we put a couple of drops of vanilla extract. Come on, there you go. And now you whip it real good until the eggs and the sugar complete. Again, mussels. when you have the machine at home, it's a little different ball game. It's much faster, but now we do it slowly. Okay, now about like 2 minutes of mix them real good. Now I'm gonna put some rum. Mix up real good, little by little. More rum. We're gonna get very happy tonight. Sleep like a baby. And by the way, the weather was incredible. When we just arrived here, it was windy all day long. Okay. And I put the last rum inside there. See how smooth they are? Whippy good. Just like I think one of the band back in the 80s called Devoto thing. Whippy good. Shake it up. Get straight. Alright, now we're in here. A couple of drops of scoop. Yes. Now we're gonna fold the whipping cream into the mascarpone. Just fold it up. Now you don't want to whip, you just want to fold it real good. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, taste it. Look at it, nice, without a machine. Ooh, perfect, David, unbelievable. All right, now we're gonna put all this in together. Okay, let me get this thing. In the restaurants, we put it into champagne glasses and we just layer by layer, but because we are camping, so our refrigerator in the trailer is not big and we don't have a spot, so we try to put on this Tupperware. All right, first thing we do, put just a little bit of mascarpone sauce, chocolates, soak the lady fingers in espresso, break it in half, put this way, soak this way, soak it again, the layer after layer. Just want to stack it up real good. Okay, maybe we can squeeze it another one. Stuck it up, there you go. All right, now we put an ice, put mascarpone, make it cover real good. Yeah. Happy. Okay, chocolate. It's windy. The winds are picking up. Okay, now this way. Squeeze it tight. Oops. Tight. Yeah. Whoa. Squeeze it tight. So we put just layer after layer. God, Dave, you're good. Just perfect. Okay. Some of these mascarpone sauce. No. Put the mascarpone again. So the last layer on top, you put a little bit more mascarpone sauce. Just to make it nice and evenly. Okay, make it a lot of mascarpone on top. Okay, and then you do is just bang a little bit so it all sink into it. Happy. Now you put more chocolate on top. Look at that. This is the mascarpone. We have been named one of our best mascarpone. And then what you do, you put in a refrigerator, let it sit for overnight, and after tomorrow, you're just gonna cut it into. Okay, folks, this is our tiramisu, and please.